Instructors at Indiana University may have the option of adding customized questions to each of their course questionnaires. This video will show how to append the course questionnaire with your own personalized questions. You will receive an email inviting you to submit additional questions for each course. Pay close attention to the deadline to add questions. Once this deadline is met, the option to add and update questions will no longer be available. To add customized questions, click on the link in the email. You may be prompted to log in with your Indiana University Network ID username and passphrase. When the web page opens, please note the course ID and section at the top of the page. The one shown here is a generic example, but your link should have active IDs and sections listed at the top. You have the option of adding 3 quantitative questions and 3 open-ended questions per course. To add quantitative questions, go to one of the first 3 questions listed and select Edit. You will type your question in the text box that says, "Please enter your quantitative question here." Notice you do not need to enter a scale as it is already populated for you. Once you've typed your question, choose Select so that the system knows to add it to the questionnaire. If you do not choose Select, the question will not be added to the student's questionnaire form. To add open-ended questions, go to one of the last 3 questions listed, and again select Edit, and type your question into the box. Once the question is written the way you want it, click Select to ensure that it will be added to the survey. If you change your mind about including a question, you can remove it from the questionnaire by clicking the Deselect button. That question will now no longer be included in the questionnaire. If you become interrupted and need to save your work, you can use the Save button. Once clicked, this message will appear. Once saved, the window can be closed. To continue to add questions, you can return to this window by using the link in the invitation email you received. After all changes have been made, you will click Submit. This tells the system that the questions are complete and ready to be added to the survey. Once clicked, you will see this screen. Note that the Save and Submit buttons are no longer available. If you have already submitted your questions and you realize that there should be a change, like to remove, add, or change the wording of a question, make your changes, then click the Update button. Click the Exit button when you have finished adding your questions. If you discover that you need to make changes to the questions after you have already exited, you can access the question selection screen again by using the link in your email. This concludes our training on how instructors can add customized questions to their online course questionnaires. For more information on the system, email us at ocqbest@indiana.edu or visit the IU Knowledge Base at kb.iu.edu.